subscribe.
And today I'm super excited to bring you M&M candy fans! We have some characters from Star Wars and some original characters. The bottom of the fans contain delicious M&M candies. Let's check out the first one! This is Boba Fett. He's a bounty hunter from Star Wars. If you guys remember, he was raised as Jango's son, and Jango passed down all of the knowledge of how to be the best bounty hunter. Let's see what kind of bounty he's brought for us. Oh yum! A fun-sized bag of M&Ms! There's a picture of red and green on one side, and the other side has a signature M&M logo. Let's open this and enjoy some chocolate. Yum! Look at all this chocolate we have! We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces! Boba Fett brought us quite the bounty! But please clear the runway, let's see who's next! Oh, we have Yellow!
I am not Yellow, I am Darth Vader. Fear my red lightsaber and my spinning fan of death.
Oh, Yellow, that lightsaber's made out of plastic, and that fan couldn't hurt a fly. For any parents out there who are a little worried about this spinning fan, this fan is made out of foam and it won't hurt anyone, see?
I am not harmless, I am Darth Vader.
Yeah, Yellow, I get it. Now let's check out your hidden candy. Let's taste the green one. Delish! Candy shell with chocolate on the inside. I gotta have another. I'll try the blue this time. Thanks for the candy, Yellow. I mean, Darth. Now let's see who's flying in next. Oh, hey, Blue. How are you?
Ooh, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it.
Blue is flying on a green cargo plane. And he has a cute captain's hat on. Let's open the bottom compartment and see what candy he's brought us. We have another fun-size M&M bag, but this time we have red and orange on the wrapper. Looks like they're having a friendly game of hide-and-go-seek.
I wonder who's winning.
Oh wow, this bag has a lot of brown pieces. Some say brown is the original color since chocolate itself is already brown. Well, thanks for dropping off the cargo of candy. It was delish. I hear another plane coming. Oh, it's Yellow. He's flying a blue plane. I bet I know what he has in that cargo compartment.
More candy.
Ooh, this wrapper has red and orange again. Look at all this candy. Whoa, check out this one. It has two blue ones stuck together.
Yum, 2 for 1.
All right, Yellow, time to take off so the next plane can land. Ooh, there's a lady in the house. This is green. Ooh, and it looks like she's holding some sort of fan instead of an airplane. Let's try it out. What? This isn't even working. The batteries are supposed to be included, but I guess this one's dead. Darn. Oh well, at least there's still candy to be had. Again, we have red and orange on the wrapper. Whoa! Even this candy's all messed up. Looks like green may have been hit by some sort of rough turbulence. Green, it looks like you have a visitor. Hi there, Red. Between you and me, I think Green has a crush on Red, but shh.
Green and red, sitting in a tree. Kissing.
Alright, Red, focus, focus. You're a plane captain and you're carrying precious cargo. Let's see what you have for us. Ooh, I think it was meant to be. Look who's on the wrapper. Green and red.
How picture perfect.
I'll try green and red together.
I think I'm in love.
Alright, Red, it's time to take off. What? Did you just break down on me too? I'm clicking it, but nothing's happening.
System malfunction.
The plane's gonna go down. Let me try to jumpstart it. Yes, it worked. That was a close call, everyone. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope... Wait, what? I think I hear something coming. Ah! Boba Fett and Darth found each other. Settle down, boys. Alright, if you're gonna fight, then may the Force be with you both. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna call this a draw. Let me try this again. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.